What does it mean to live without limits? Introducing the Ecoflow Delta Pro, the world's first portable home battery with an expandable ecosystem designed to store energy so you can use it at any time. The Delta Pro ecosystem connects directly to your home with the new Ecoflow Smart Home Panel, which immediately reroutes to Delta Pro to provide uninterrupted power during emergencies. Power outages are no longer a problem, as Delta Pro keeps your entire home fully powered, even high-wattage appliances. And in daily use, the ecosystem reduces your reliance on the grid, saving money on your energy bills. The Ecoflow app gives you full control over your home circuits and lets you manage your power consumption. If you need another way to power high-voltage devices, connect two Delta Pro units together. During emergencies, the new Ecoflow Smart Generator provides cost-effective and efficient power compared to using a traditional gas generator alone. Delta Pro takes innovation even further. Introducing FlowCharge, the world's first charging technology that lets you charge anywhere at any time. The new Ecoflow Solar Tracker automatically follows the position of the sun to improve power generation. At home, plug Delta Pro into any wall outlet to fully charge in 2.5 hours, thanks to Xstream, the world's fastest portable power station charging technology. For the first time ever, you can charge Delta Pro at any leading Level 2 EV charging station. All this and more make Delta Pro the most powerful portable power solution, because Delta Pro isn't just a portable home battery, it's a way to power a new world.